The Nectar of Devotion by A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Chapter 25 is called Devotees of Krsna. Now, if you cultivate devotion, you are called sadhaka. And this is how you become worthy to enter the spiritual kingdom. Srimad Bhagavatam 11:2-45 reminds us that this love of a divinity is unflinching, and it is the sort that causes a separation from the non-devotees, or at least a disinterest in their being preferred by us. Srimad Bhagavatam 3:15-25 reminds us that our cultivation is by separating from the false material egos and advancing in the mystical practices. And we need to respect others that are devoted as well. And we respect the religious officials and their families and the spaces and rituals that they do. And it may be that those who aren't part of the ritual order have reached an advanced stage through the underlying principles of all that sort of stuff. But whether we have reached such a stage or not, there is perfection that happens through sacrifice and other rituals. Now, some people will speak of various expansions and sent ones, and there are other places for that to talk about. And people who live in the presence have a certain number of qualities. People talk about 55 qualities. Neutrality, service, friendship, parentship, and spousal are qualities that can be turned over to the transcendent. And some will have to strive, but you don't necessarily have to do the striving, or in Arabic they call it jihad, to reach perfection. All the prophetic examples, the avatar activities that we learn about, I mean the real ones, all of them are transcendental, and all of them are not only there to indicate that we are not it, but that they are transcendental activities that we can go along with, right? Srimad Bhagavatam 10:26-10 regards the bewildering sense of others being attached to you because of being of the devoted class. The Padma Purana in the Uttara Kanda section, we remember that just as there is a descent, so are those who are associates that return to the place of the sent one in their places hereafter. Like in the Islamic tradition, they talk about drinking from the Haud and Kauthar.